welcome back again to our English class. This is me again, Teacher N, and I hope that you are great. Today, we will be learning the fourth letter of the alphabet, which is the letter, yes, you're right, letter D. Letter D. Alright? So, but before doing that, let me invite you and we will be singing the D sound song.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter D. This is a capital D. This is a lowercase d. You know how the D looks now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 d. D, 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 d. Yes! D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur. And D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 d. D, 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 d. Your turn. D, 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 d. D.
So once again, hello students. So our topic is still in alphabet. English alphabet. Can you tell me what is the fourth letter of the English alphabet? Can you tell me what is the fourth letter of the English alphabet? Okay, can we say A, B, C, D? Alright, D is the second letter of the English alphabet. D. D. This is the letter D. We have the big D and we have small d. Again, this is letter D. Very good. Okay, last time we talked about letter C. C. C, right? C. So what is the sound of the letter C once again? It's k, 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 k. Very good. Again. K, 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 k. Yes, that is the sound of the letter C. Next is we have the big letter D. Again, big letter D. And then we have the small letter D. Small letter D. So again, D. We have the big letter D. And we have the small letter D. And that's the way on how to write the letter D. Start with the line straight down and then small letter C. Okay, so you can write the letter D. Now let's have the sound of the letter D. D as D. 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 Can you follow me now? Can we say D, 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 D? That is the sound of the letter C. D, 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 D. Very good. Let's try. Okay, are you familiar with this animal? Right. This is... Okay, what is the sound of the letter D again? It's D, 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 D. Right? So, this animal starts with the letter D. D. And the sound of the letter D is D, 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 D. Yes, very good. D, D. And then we have the O and then the G. G, G. Okay, we can say dog, dog, dog. Okay, very good. It's dog, dog. Very good. Let's dog. Can you say it one more time? D, d, dog, d, d, dog. Very good. Now let's have the other one. Okay, again this animal start with letter D. D. What is the sound of the letter D? D, 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 D. Okay, let's have the letter D sound, which is D. And then we have the V sounds, as in V, V. So we can say D, dove, D, D, dove, D, D, dove, D, D, dove. Very good. Can you say it one more time? D, D, dove. Yes, it's a dove. Okay, let's review. We have, what animals is this again? We have D, dog, D, dog, D, dog. Next is we have D, dove, D, dove, D, dove, D, dove. Again, we have dog and we have dove. Very good, kids. So you've learned today 2 words, which is the D, dog, and the D, dove. So that's the end of our class, and see you next week. Bye.